In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin and go to the discount section. From there, click Create Discount and make a new discount code for your pop-up offer. For example, you can create a simple welcome code like Welcome10. This code will be the offer customers see when they sign up through your pop-up, so make sure it is easy to understand and matches the promotion you want to run. Once your discount code is ready, the next step is to install the Shopify Forms app. This app allows you to create pop-ups directly for your store and connect them with your discount offers. If you have not installed it yet, add it to your Shopify store and open it once the installation is complete. Inside the app, click Create Form and then choose the pop-up option. This will start the setup for a new pop-up form that visitors will see on your site. After that, look for the discount settings area. In this section, select the discount code you just created. If you used a welcome offer, choose that code so the form is linked to the correct promotion. Next, customize the appearance of the pop-up by editing the text and colors in the editor. This is where you can make the pop-up match your brand and clearly explain the offer to your customers. Keep the text simple and direct so visitors immediately understand what they will receive. Choosing clear colors and readable text can also help the pop-up stand out without feeling overwhelming. After customizing the design, set the display timing for the pop-up. This controls when the form appears to visitors on your store. You can choose timing that feels natural for the shopping experience, so the pop-up shows at a moment that is noticeable but not too disruptive. When everything looks the way you want, click Save to keep your changes. Then make sure to toggle the form status to active. This is an important final step because your pop-up will not appear on your store until it has been activated. Once the status is active, your Shopify pop-up discount is live and ready to collect signups while promoting your offer. That covers everything you need to know.